Hi everyone, today we're back with more information about construction and other terms or different things you may run into in the course of your career, especially if you're early and you may not be as familiar with the nomenclature. So today's topic is, what is a Gantt chart? Now, a Gantt chart is just a visual representation of a project schedule, and it shows the tasks over time, and it actually shows how things are linked. You can usually do this in project management software, and they do have specific things that you can plug into spreadsheets that you then upload, and it will spit out this sort of visual chart for you. Now, you may be wondering, but why is that important? First of all, let's be real here. A lot of us are visual creatures. If you're just looking at a calendar or things on a list, you don't necessarily understand all the relationships between everything. But when you can see the bar connecting to the next thing, the next stage, that all makes logical sense. It also lets you include things like when you need to place orders for certain materials, supplies, appliances even, trusses, or anything specialty that needs to get delivered at a certain point in the future. You've got it covered and you can see it all in one place. Now, some things that can happen if you're not using some kind of visual schedule, such as a Gantt chart, is that you tend to have a lack of visibility. And then also there can be a misalignment of timelines. Like, you think you've got it covered, but the reality is, as your projects start to get bigger and bigger, there's gonna be a lot of minuscule details and they're all gonna matter. And you have to understand what is your critical path and what's gonna make a difference versus things that you can kind of plug in elsewhere, and you kind of miss out on the opportunity to see all of that in one place, which of course we know that if your schedule is off, it can result in delays and nobody needs that.